Hi friends, Namaste to all my fellow meditators. Today we will see one more topic from Louise Hay 21 Day Affirmations. Today's topic is work. So how we feel at work, what are the affirmations that we can make, how we can bless the job, or how we can visualize to get the job that we wanted, how we can make it possible, right? So that we will see today. Our job is the reflection of our self-worth or our value to the world. So, of course, you can say that job is nothing but the exchange of time and services with money. Okay, that is true. But how much, what way, that is your self-worth, right? So, what we believe is like all the forms of business opportunities or all the forms of job opportunities that is come to you to prosper each other. Job wants you and you want the job. This way actually they're all coming it. You want to make, you want to feel that you are making a great contribution to the world by working. It's not simply just go and work and get money, right? You want to make some self-satisfaction that you are making some difference in the world. You are making something that is useful. So in that way, your talents, your intelligence, your ability, your capability is coming out and flowing through job. Okay, many people feels that finding a successful job or finding a successful career is very hard. They can't do it. That itself is an affirmation, right? So you can do it. You can do it. I can do it, and everybody can do it. We can be successful at our work, and we can be successful at our job. Suppose if you say, "Oh, what a terrible boss my boss is! Oh my God, what a workplace!" If you think that these are the terrible affirmations that you are making, when you think that your boss is terrible, when you think that the workplace is terrible, then do you think that you will be able to get a good job or good satisfaction at your work? No. So whatever the job that you are currently holding up, bless the job. Bless the job that you are holding up. Bless your colleagues. Bless your boss. Bless your workplace. Bless the building. Bless the furniture. Bless everything. So when you are blessing this workplace with love, you are actually doing the love, right? You may experience, or you will experience that there is a change in your position. There is a change the way how you are actually treated by others in your office as well. So no matter whatever the job you are holding, whether you like or this is the job that you wanted to do, or this is the job that you don't like, think that whatever the job you are holding is a stepping stone for a greater opportunities that you wanted to become. You can't just leave the job, right? Even though whether you like it or not, you want to have a job, you want to earn money, you want to pay your bills. So you have to work. So when you are working, do it, accept it gracefully and do it with love. So think that this is a stepping stone in order to explore the greater opportunities. And this is a stepping stone in order to get the job that you like it. So bless bless your boss, bless your co-workers, bless the location and everything with so much love. Then definitely you feel, or definitely there will be a change in your boss. You may think that, oh, he is intolerable. You may think that, oh, my boss is champion. Maybe your colleagues was not a cooperative. Later, they may not become friends, but you are happy to go to work to talk to them. So you will find ease at work. So bless everything with the love. So you will see that whatever you are doing is a wonderful job, and that opens up to the new job that you like it. Whatever the job that you wanted to have it, right, that will open up. That opens up ourselves with the new possibilities. So think one principle. Your consciousness has an abundance. We are in abundance. We will get everything we want. Abundance and fulfillment can come from anywhere. So you will get the job that you like it. You will get a job that you can demonstrate your intelligence, and you can get a job that you can demonstrate your creativity. Okay, thinking about. So let us do some work. Thinking about your work life. How is the work life? Do you think the one which you are doing is the right job that you are doing? Do you think this is the job that you wanted to do it? Or let us take, what do you want? If you could be anything in this world, what is the most thing that you want to become? If you could, any job that you wanted, what is the job that you wanted to have it? If you like to change your current job, what is the job that you wanted to change? What would you change about your employer? What would you work? What kind of work you want to be, environment you want to work with? Whom do you want to forgive if you want to forgive in the work? So write all these things in about your job. Then you start work on it. If you have a clear picture of what you want to change, what you like, what you doesn't like, or what you want to become. If you have a clear idea, then you will be able to you generate your self-worth and you can do it. You know the feelings, right? So once you have written all that thing, now examine how do you feel about yourself. These are all what you want to, right? Now examining your own feelings. Do I feel worthy of getting a good job? No, I might have to improve something to get it. So which means that you are not affirming a positive affirmation. No, think that I'm totally adequate in all situations. I will get a job. I'm totally adequate. What do I fear most about the work? What is your fear? My employer may find that I'm not so good. He may fire me. This is the fears that you will be having, right? No, you say you affirm yourself that I center myself in a safety and accept the perfection in my life. All is well. I'm doing my job perfect. I center myself perfect. All is well. So no problem. You think like that. What I am getting from this belief, if you are believing something, what I am getting from this field, I people please at work, and in turn my employer, means I turn my employer into a parent. What is this kind of affirmation that you are giving? Means you are thinking that like a parent you are thinking. It is my mind that creates my experiences. I am unlimited. My ability to create the good is in my life. I can create anything that I want. I have an ability to create thing. What do I fear will happen if I let go of this belief? If I just go off the old belief, what will happen? I would have to grow and be responsible. Yes, you have to accept your responsibility. You cannot blame but somebody that whatever that you don't get it right. I know I am worthwhile. I can succeed. Life loves me. I love my life and life loves me. This is the affirmation you have to take it. Then you will get like, so in order to get right, there are so many experiences that I have read and I have experienced. Visualization in the sense like you visualize yourself where you want to be. Means which kind of work environment you want to be, what kind of position you want to be, right? Visualize yourself, visualize that environment, visualize your co-workers, visualize how you are going to office and how you actually, the work is going to be, how pleasantly you are working. Visualize all that you got a job and you are working on it, right? Your consciousness, let your consciousness open the pathway for you. And when you are actually doing all these things, your consciousness will open a pathway for you so that you can go into the job that you like. You don't have faith in your fear. Just forget it. There is no fear and you can achieve it. It may be true for suppose if something comes, right? Oh, market is too bad. Somebody says, oh, market is bad. What will happen to my job? No, don't think that. Market is bad. It may be true for somebody that the market is bad, but I am safe. I prosper. I prosper all the time. I'm going to get what I want all the time. You know, you are successful at your job. You always think that you know that you are successful at your job. In this way, if you actually visualize yourself, you will always be good. If you like your job, feel that you are, if you like your job, just happily do it. If you don't like job, you are not paid enough. If you think that, then bless the current job and bless the current salary. Because right now it is serving your needs. So bless it, the current job and current salary with love. Blessing with what? Bless with love. So leave that love. Even if you are leaving, leave that love to the person who is coming and occupying that place, right? In that way, you are radiating the love and you are leaving the workplace with love. So you will get a place where somebody left with the love. so that you will enjoy with the in that workplace also. What are the affirmations that you need to make it? One affirmation I can say, that workplace, you think that you deserve to get a place that you like to do work, you like to do the way that you want to do. You deserve to get it, okay, and you deserve to get a successful career. And I enjoy the work I do, and I enjoy the people I work with. I am always relaxed at work. I am not tensed out. When I encounter the problems in my job, I am willing to ask help. The joy I find in my career is reflected in overall happiness. My work is recognized by everyone. I am grateful for this employment. I turn every experience into an opportunity. All my supervisors treat me with love and respect. I am capable, I am competent, I am perfect. I see best in everyone, and and I respond with kindness. My thoughts are very creative and they are wonderful, which creates me the new opportunities. Everything I touch is a success. New doors are open for me all the time. I am open and receptive to the new avenues of my life. So when you accept all these affirmations, when you actually accept that you can open the new doors, everything is positive, then definitely the work, you can get the work that you like to work on. You get the environment that you wanted to work on. So friends, don't be negative at any time. Whatever the work that you are doing, respect it, bless it with the love, and imagine, visualize how your work you want to be, how your co-workers you want to be, right? You will get the place. You will definitely get the place that you would like to be. And I cannot explain in the small video like who are all the people. There are so many examples that they visualized how the workplace, how they go into the work, how the colleagues, and they experience it the same way once they join the job also. So your visualization, your positive thinking work, for friends. So not only every place, every part of your life, your positive thinking, your thoughts are the one which is actually influencing your life, friends. Okay. Tomorrow we'll come up with another topic. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.